Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to factor the quadratic expression x square minus 10x plus 24. So let's start with today's video solution. So to factor this we have to break this negative 10x in two numbers such that their sum is negative 10 and their multiplication is positive 24. So we can write this negative 10x as negative 6x, negative 4x. Negative 6, negative 4 is negative 10 and 6 times 4 is 24. Now from first two term, if I'll take x as common, so x minus 6, and from next two term, if I'll take negative 4 as common, x minus 6. Now x minus 6 as common, so x minus 4. So two factors are x minus 6 and x minus 4. So to find out the solution, we have to put them equals to 0. So x minus 6 is equals to 0, x is 6, and if x minus 4 is equals to 0, x is 4. So x-intercept is 4 and 6 and y-intercept is here 24. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.